Hi everyone, Red Shifters here, and we wanted to do a quick tutorial on our brand new R3DWhoop Brushless V2. First thing you want to do when we get the frame, of course, is remove the fuselage. You have four screws on top. Let's start by doing that. So, if you notice, you don't have to necessarily remove the screws entirely. It'll be easier to just leave them like so when you put it back on. Let's start with the FC. The soft mounts will already be there. You do not need to remove them. So there's a little nook here that fits the camera. So this is your front. After you orient the FC, all you have to do is find one of the soft mounts and insert it in an angle, like so. And then proceed with stretching the frame over the FC. So start by putting 1, 2, like so, and then continue stretching the frame over. Basically, using the flex of the material in order to fit the FC inside the soft mounts. Moving on to our camera mount. It is unnecessary to unscrew the lens. All you really need to do is take the camera in the right orientation from the back of the camera mount, like so. So you're going to fit it in basically a 90-degree angle. And then using the flex of the TPU, basically all you need to do is push the camera inside, like that. Those little tabs are designed to hold the sensor board back. So make sure that they're fitted between basically the lens and the sensor, like so. That will cause enough pressure for the camera not to be able to shift forward or back. And so you can go ahead and tilt your camera to the desired angle, and then feel free, depending on your camera size and how snug it fits inside this slot, you might want to add a dab of hot glue on either side of the sensor. As far as where to put your VTX, there are several options, or if you're using an external RX, that could work as well. There is room underneath the fuselage for a small component. We recommend using the smallest components in the market for this build because it's low profile. There will be room underneath the X, depending on your FC and the height of the components. Some components will actually fit in this area right here. Let's talk about the X-Bay. If you notice, the X-Bay is bidirectional. You can put your battery either way, like so, or sideways, if you prefer. The X-Bay will stretch, and so you are going to be able to fit 2 batteries if you need to. Make sure to tilt them upside down, like so, and then if you're using another battery, you can fit it right next to it, like so. So that's it. R3DWhoop Brushless V2. Hyper durable frame, easy build. Happy flying.